No, Leela, be gentle. That's your baby girl. Is that your baby? Oh.
Heather stepped up to the plate, scoring the Gophers their second point on the board.
Ah.
Bridget began her 6 hours of solitude in the woods feeling pretty confident.
I'm not scared. 6 hours out here is nothing.
Uh-oh.
Just enough air for an hour. You only need to do 5 minutes. As long as we decide to dig you up.
Not funny, Chris.
Yeesh. Dig a pill. I'll be listening the whole time. Just yell for me if you panic and I'll dig you right up.
Goodbye, cruel world.
This summer on Total Drama Revenge to the Island, who will win $1 million? Will it be Lightning?
Lightning never loses.
Girl Joe?
Nobody needs to be reminded that I'm a girl.
Or Tan in a Can? Maybe multiple personality Mike? Lady? Yeah. He could even be Camden.
What was that?
13 losers is bound to win. Total Drama Revenge of the
You're
Island.
annoying me a lot
Tuesday, June 5th
sometimes.
at 7:36 Central.
But why?
Cartoon Network.
Memorial Day weekend is
Because you're cute when you're mad. Oh, what a face. Ah.
Revenge of the Island. New series premiere Tuesday, June 5th at 7:36 Central. Only on Cartoon Network.
Ah.
Barney, with 64 tasty pieces on your tongue.